Vivian!
Vivian, makinig ka muna.
Traitor!
Vivian! Tama na,
Let me
Vivian!
go!
Tama na!
Let me go!
Tama na, Vivian!
Let me go!
Tama na! Vivian,
Just
tama na!
let me go! Let me go!
Tama.
Just
Vivian!
let me go!
How did it happen, Eric?
I don't know, it just did.
What, did she flirt with you? Did she seduce you? What did she
No.
do?
You were gone. I missed you. Nandun siya.
Ganun ka ba magmahal? Napaka-fleeting. Umalis lang ako, tapos hahanap ka ng iba? Ang kaya mo lang bang mahalin? Ang nasa tabi mo? Paano kung umalis siya? Hahanap ka ng iba para mag-fill in sa place niya?